In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Stitch in an easy and fast way, showing everything step by step. So, come with me. Let's start by drawing the face. Next, the nose. Now comes the mouth. Let's draw the eye. Now comes the other eye. Next, the iris. We can draw the pupils. Now comes the ear. And the other ear. And we can draw the hair. Now the arm. And the other arm. Let's draw the nails. We can already do the body. And let's draw the legs. Now, the little paws. Let's draw the nails. We can draw the fur. Let's draw the belly. And the details of the little paws. Now we can color. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.